Day 128 of 365 doing keto. So we start by salting and peppering our chicken, both sides. We cut some cherry tomatoes. Pan, avocado oil, spread it. Add chicken and get a nice sear on both sides. Move away. Heavy cream, spices, chicken stock, mix it. Cream cheese. Add chicken back, and while that is cooking we make a quick salad. Cucumbers. More. Mozzarella. Lemon juice. Olive oil. Salt. Sumac. Give it a good mix. Back to chicken. Add some tomatoes and stir it. When food are ready, add spinach. One final mix. And now for the best part, plating. Add all chickens and some sauce on top. This turned out absolutely wonderful. Some flexing after training. Some snacks. Checking the calendar. Checking my blood. 1 point for nice.